Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and set the flour in a mixing bowl and add the sugar, cacao powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Prepare the buttermilk by adding 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or lime juice into a measuring jug and then adding soy milk or almond milk up to the 1 cup line and allowing to sit for about 5 minutes to curdle into a buttermilk. Then, prepare the flax egg by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed meal with 3 tablespoons warm water and allowing to sit for a minute to become a gloopy. Add the cup of buttermilk mixture with vanilla extract, flax egg, coconut oil, vinegar, and vegan red food coloring to the mixing bowl and mix with wood or rubber spatula to combine into a smooth batter. Line a muffin tray with 12 muffins liners and divide the batter evenly between them. Once you're done filling the muff, place into the oven and bake for 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And while waiting for the muffins, for the frosting or buttercream, add all the buttercream ingredients to your mixing bowl and whisk with an electric whisk starting on slow and gradually increasingly speed until thick, smooth, and creamy. If your frosting or buttercream is too thin, add more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, just add more soy milk or almond milk. And once your muffins is done, allow to cool completely before frosting. These muffins are light and fluffy. Even if you're not vegan, you won't be able to tell if they have no eggs or dairy in them. This recipe is easy to make and comes together in a flash. The cupcakes can be mixed in a bowl, so you don't need a mixer to make the cupcake batter. When it comes for the frosting or decorating, make sure that the muffins are completely cool because if not, the buttercream will melt. And as you can see, my buttercream is kind of messed up and I didn't know that the muffins are still hot, so don't do what I did if you'd love to serve your muffins pretty. That's it for today. I hope you will enjoy these Valentine's muffins or cupcakes. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next recipe video and happy Valentine's.